Hello, I'm Jeff with Motor Wheel, here to talk to you today about measuring drums to match specifications. When you cannot read a part number to get a replacement drum, here's the key measurement points that will be needed. First, measure for the brake surface flat by measuring from the open edge of the brake drum to the inside back. Next, measure for the overall depth. With the open end of the drum facing down on a flat surface, measure from the flat surface to the outside edge of the drum back. Then we'll find the pilot diameter. This is done by measuring the pilot opening from edge to edge. Next, we'll find the bolt circle diameter by measuring from the center of one bolt hole to the center of the bolt hole directly opposite. Also, we'll need the diameter of the bolt hole. Finally, count the number of bolt holes. And this drum has 10. Then we can match our findings with the Motor Wheel spec sheet MW006 found on our website. Thank you for watching, and remember, Motor Wheel is here to help you go the extra mile. For more information about Motor Wheel centrifuge drums, please visit our website at www.motorwheel-intl.com.